Good afternoon to all of you. Thank you all the participants to participate in this FDP program. It was a very hectic and exciting week. I believe that the knowledge shared by our esteemed resource person through this program will enlighten us in our research and academic areas. I also would like to thank our coordinator of this program, Dr. Ram Kumar sir, for conducting such a informative and successful program. Conducting such an event where participants from all over the India has participated is never an easy task. Once again, I would like to thank Dr. Ram Kumar sir. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Ram Kumar sir to conclude the program. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Talib sir. And good afternoon, all the participants and our organizing team, principal ma'am, and our guests. I would like to extend heartiest welcome to our respected principal ma'am, our guest, Dr. Atmaram Gupta sir, our organizing team, and dear participant. It's truly a moment of pride to give the report of successful conduction of AICTE ATAL 1 week program today. In this week program, every day we are having 3 sessions in a day, and today was the last session concluded at 1:30 p.m. The event took shape in the beginning with the inaugural. The chief guest was Professor Fazal Ahmed Talukdar sir, Senior Professor, National Institute of Technology, Silchar. He has motivated all the participants to attend all the sessions and get benefited. Thank you very much, sir. And after this, our principal ma'am, Dr. Ranjana Kumari ma'am, wished for the success of the program. Thank you, ma'am. The session on the inaugural day was common research problem in deep learning for medical image analysis, classification of CT images using deep learning, MRI, medical image segmentation. The other session of FDP covered were diverse topics like nonlinear filter of enhancement of mammogram, ML clustering, classification of data set, computer-aided diagnosis, joint thresholding and segmentation of MRI brain tumor, deep informatics was the major aspects covered by the eminent speakers. So we are very thankful to all the speakers. This FDP also covered the topic on mental and emotional health. The eminent speakers are from renowned universities. Here I would like to mention their names. Dr. Nilanjan Dey sir, JIS University. Dr. Narendra D. Londe sir, NIT Raipur. Dr. Vikas Sahana sir, NIT Patna. Professor Fazal Ahmed Talukdar sir, NIT Silchar. Professor V. Rajnikant sir, St. Joseph College of Engineering, Chennai. Mr. Arunjit Chaudhary sir, CEO, EBTS. Professor Rakshit Mahale sir, VIIT Pune. Mr. Vivek Bansal sir, Medication Educator. And Dr. Gitanjali R. Sinde ma'am, VIIT Pune. I am really thankful to AICTE and I congratulate AICTE for the world record of conducting highest number of FDP and successful completion of it. Really, it's a matter of pride. I would like to thank our organizing team members, Mr. Alauddin Ansari sir, Dr. Dharamveer Kumar Yadav sir, Sajjad Ahmed sir, Rasid Mustafa sir, Abhijit Kumar sir, Sneha ma'am, Amit sir, Talib Ahmed sir, Rajiv sir, Naveen sir, and Anish Kumar for their support and cooperation all the time. And we expect their support in forthcoming event as well. We also received overwhelming response from the participants across the India and their active and dedicated participation during FDP. It was a really matter of pride and privilege to us. Thank you all the participants. The being coordinator of FDP, before I conclude, I would like to thank again AICTE ATAL Academy for their trust and opportunity to conduct this FDP successfully. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. Now over to you, Talib sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite our beloved principal ma'am to share a few words on the ATAL FDP program. Over to you, ma'am.
A very good afternoon to all. We have completed 5 days FDP on machine learning in medical image processing. Thank you all the participants and making this FDP a great success. All the sessions were very informative. This FDP was very useful for beginner and middle level research scholars. The research scholars got very useful technical inputs for their research work from the resource persons. Our renowned resource persons explained all the aspects and concepts of the topic in very simple words and very effectively in such a limited time. So we can say that the program was a big success in its objectives of energizing and igniting the minds and providing tonic to the participants to explore more thoroughly and come up with their own ideas. I congratulate faculties of EEE department for their involvement and cooperation. I insist to conduct more of such programs. This program overall was one more feather in the cap of Katihar Engineering College. It was a milestone and there will be many on the way to come. Thank you all once again. Over to Muhammad Talib Ahmed.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to invite our guest of honor, Dr. Atmaram Gupta sir, from Electrical Engineering Department, NIT Kurukshetra. Dr. Gupta sir is the senior member of IEEE and IEEE Power Energy Society, member of IEEE Young Professionals, member of IEEE Dielectric and Electrical Insulation Society. He has plenty of research publications in different journals and transactions. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Professor Ranjana ma'am, for inviting me or giving me the opportunity to say some my views on this ATAL FDP. So first of all, I congratulate all the faculty members, the team who have organized this FDP, and all the faculty and staff members of Katihar Engineering College for organizing such a nice FDP in a well organized manner. So I can able to see as I have informed that all the sessions have been taken from the very reputed faculty members of the various institute, NIT and other institutes. So the topic is also very informative, that is machine learning in medical image processing. So as we all know that machine learning, it is a kind of branch of artificial intelligence, and it is using data and algorithm and to intimate the way human are learning, machines are also learning. And in the COVID-19 situations also, this type of concept will help the uh, all the persons who is working in the medical area to use this advanced concept. And also I would like to say all the faculty members who have attended this faculty development program, so you may use this concept in further in your research and teaching work. So attending FDP should not be limited to only for 5 days and attending 5 days lectures and taking the certificates, but it should be that for the information which you have got, the knowledge which you have got, it should be that processed. It should be communicated to all the your research groups so that this kind of that whatever knowledge you have got, it should be implemented further. So I thank the organizer to invite me, and also I congratulate the entire team to work day and night in this faculty development program. I congratulate all the faculty and researchers who have participated in this faculty development program. This is really a nice step from by the AICT. This is a AICT sponsored 5 days program, and all the 5 days there are 14 lectures. So this is a hectic program which is handled very nicely by the coordinator and his team. So thank you everyone. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Gupta, sir, for sharing your invaluable words and that the time that you have shared with us. Thank you once again, sir. At last, but
Thank
not
you.
the least, I also would like to thank all the members of the organizing committee, Alauddin Ansari, sir, Amit Kumar Suman, sir, Abhijit Kumar, sir, Sajjad Ahmad, sir, Rajiv Ranjan, sir, Rashid Mustafa, sir, Dr. Dhamir Kumar Yadav, sir, and Sneha ma'am. I also would like to extend our gratitude to all the supporting staffs who worked day and night tirelessly to make this event very successful. Thank you once again, all the participants. Participants, right now we have a feedback sessions. We will have a feedback session for 5 minutes. So anyone who is interested, they can share your feedbacks. Please raise your hand. We will unmute you so that you can share your feedbacks.
Participants, please raise your hand. Would like to give feedback or any suggestion?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Yes, yes. Good afternoon to all.
Sir, it
yes.
would be great if you can share your video also, unmute your video also.
Okay, sir.
So you are visible, sir. Sir, if you are uncomfortable with sharing your video, sir, you can go ahead without video, sir. Abhay, sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, if you are uncomfortable, then you can go
Yes,
without
sir.
video.
Thank you. Good afternoon to all. This is a nice workshop or FDP program, and that already conducted by Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Kathiar Engineering College, Kathiar. Mainly first, thank you all the organizing committee members here who has a lot of efforts and also provided a lot of supports during this particular FDP, and this is a 5 days journey. And already I have got many information related to research field regarding machine learning in medical image processing, and I think this will be great helpful for me for my research work also. Thank you all of you again. Thank you all the participants also. Thank you. This is a nice informative session also already that we have to remember in my future also. This is very thank you all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhay Kumar sir, for sharing your feedback with us. Now I would like to call another participant, Sri Devi, ma'am. Ma'am, if you are comfortable, then you can share your video also.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. You are audible.
Sir, are you able to see my video? Is my video
No,
visible?
ma'am.
I think it is. Good evening, sir. Thank you very much. I would like to mention the specific person who took. I'm sorry, I didn't remember the name of the professor who has taken the first session, the first day. It was a very nice session and informative session, and we are very pleased to attend the FDP and got a very good information and knowledge through this FDP, sir. Thank you very much. Thanks for the organizing committee and the college management also. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
My
Any
video
other
started.
part,
Yeah.
any other participants who would like to share your feedbacks? I think Sajjad Ahmad sir is interested in sharing their feedbacks. Could you please unmute himself?
Good afternoon, all of you. First of all, thank you, Coordinator Dr. Ram Kumar.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Could you share your video also? If you are uncomfortable, sir, you can go ahead with the video.
Okay, sir. First of all, thank you, Coordinator Dr. Ram Kumar, sir, and Principal Ma'am of KEC Katihar, and Chief Guest, and all supporting members of Program Coordinator. The 5-day FDP program on machine learning in medical image processing is informative, interesting, and joyful, and full of knowledge. We all enjoy 5 days. I think I will get benefited in academic as well as future research. Thank you to all once again, all the members. Thank you.
Thank you, Sajjad sir, for sharing your feedback with us. I think now no one is interested in feedbacks. So participants, we have achievement test right after this valedictory sessions. I think it will start in 5 minutes.